Week 27 is here, and baby Jay is now the size of a cauliflower. This week has been especially exciting. Our baby can now recognize my voice. Every morning before I head to the gym, I say goodbye, and baby responds with a big noticeable kick. It's like a little reminder not to skip leg day. Lois has been doing well minus the typical body aches that comes with the pregnancy. I can't help but feel bad that she is dealing with this discomfort and wish I could bear the pain for her. For this week's recipe, I made cauliflower steaks, roasted in a smoked chipotle mezcal butter, paired with a vibrant green pecan romesco. The cauliflower is crispy on the edges, tender in the center, with a smoky, spicy kick that balanced beautifully with the herbaceous sauce. You can find the full recipe in the captions below. Enjoy!